Kobe's working on his big puzzle. And Philip's watching, rooting him on. Wow, Kobe, you're getting that together really fast. Good job, buddy.
Mom.
What? You can figure it out.
Okay.
Yep, good job, buddy.
Now in here.
There's Philip, hoping Kobe does good.
Hey, Mom.
What?
Nothing here.
No, not over there.
I tried over here. But that goes. I don't want here.
Kobe, I love you. Kobe, look at me. I love you. Now Philip's watching you, isn't he? Oh, but I don't think that piece goes right there. Or there. You got this piece together, you got that put together. You're doing good, buddy. Is that where it goes?
Yes.
Show me. Oh, good job, buddy. Good job. You are so smart. You're the puzzle king, aren't you? Oh, good job, buddy.
Look.
I do. I see. Well, you push it together. Oh, it's fine. That's where it goes. Oh, Philip's head banging. Philip's just watching you put that puzzle together, isn't he? I don't think that piece goes there.